Alright, what's up everybody? This is Michael from Harbour Soccer Breaks. We're doing a 5-box break of 21-22 Topps Chrome UEFA Sapphire. This is a pick your team, pick your play break. This is break number 1 for us. You'll see the spots there on the left of your screen. Down to Wolfsburg. Now the hashtags there next to Barcelona mean we're going to do a serial filler for those spots. I'll bring it on the screen right now. Why is that doing that? Anyways, drop that. That's fine. We can see it there. Alright. Alright, dice roller. We'll roll the dice. Alright, we're going to go 3 times, short and sweet. Loose randomizer. Copy the names. So paste them in. Alright, we've got James in the 1, Harbour in the 10, everyone in between. And we're going to go 3 times. 1, 2, and last spin, 3 times. 3. So we've got James in the 1, Justin in the 2, Martin 3, Benny 4, James 5, Andrew 6, Harbour 7 and 8, Martin 9, and Pete with the 10 spot. I'll bring that up there, put that there, drop that down. Alright, we're good to go. Gonna stuff it up this time. I don't know why, when I tested it out, I wasn't meant to do that, but yeah. I've actually got to bring the team list across. Give me a second. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is old school Topps total football. Empty box. Alright, good luck. Alright, first up we have Renato Sanchez. We have Daniel Malin for Dortmund. Oh yeah, Jurien Timber for Ajax. It's a nice one. Ajax is a good spot in this. Then we have Harvey Elliott for Liverpool. The cardstock on these are really nice. They're really good quality. They're really good quality print. Yeah, let's see if we can hit a Papadasha. Alright. We've got Ansu Fati. That is serials. That is the 9 serial. That's Martin. Donnarumma for PSG others. Matthijs de Ligt for Juventus. And then a Future Stars there of Charles de Ketelaere. Yeah, Sapphire's the best. It looks like we've got our first numbered card here, and it is a orange. Good luck. Got Daniel Braganca. Got Gerard Moreno. Duvan Zapata. And our orange Sapphire is... It's for Inter Milan, Stefan De Vrij. On the orange Sapphire, that's 34 of 50. Nice card. Stefan De Vrij on the Sapphire. I will sleeve all these cards up as well. Alright, next pack. Got Adama Traore. It's a nice one there. Musiala, second year. Christopher Nkunku. And this is a variation. That's Paul Scholes on the variation. For Manchester United others, Paul. Nice hit on the... I'm pretty sure this is a variation. Let's hit on the variation. All right, next pack, we've got Mambimbi for the young boys. Perisic. Thiago Silva for Chelsea. And Edison for Man City. Alright, next we've got Luis Suarez for Atletico. Dusan Vlahovic. Edison Cavani. And then a nice Future Stars rookie of Cole Palmer. Just the Sapphire base. It's a nice one. Clean cards. Looks like we had a green Sapphire here. First, Lucas Nemecha. Sergio Aguero. Ballo Toure for Milan. Go this way, good luck. And the green Sapphire. And it is Sandro Tonali for AC Milan. That's nice. And that's 28 of 75 on the Sandro Tonali green Sapphire. Oh yeah, Aguero Series. Thank you, Pete. We'll go back to that in a sec. Alright, last pack of the first box. We've got Nauf. Dusan Tadic. Miguel Gutierrez. And Sadio Mane. Alright, where was it? So Aguero was 39. 9 spot, that's Martin. Alright, let's go. Box 2. Yeah, we will put the other half of this up at some stage. Empty box. Let's just see the Topps Total Football. Don't forget to smash that like button, really helps the channel. And please do sub if you're new. Alright, so Bitzer, Stefan De Vrij, Karim Benzema, and Kevin De Bruyne. This Chrome was a pretty decent checklist, like base checklist. It was solid. We've got a Benji Sesko there, that's nice. We'll sleeve and top load that one. Reece James. Zidane Iqbal. And a future stars this time of Karim Adeyemi. Alan Salzburg, others. Sesko in this one was Ali. Alright, next pack. Looks like we've got a yellow Sapphire here. Renato Sanchez. And we've got Mukoko. Jurien Timber. And it looks like we're horizontal this time. Good luck. It's a rookie. And it's Pedro Goncalves for Sporting. Such nice cards, these, man. That is 20 of 99. Sporting in this one was Tor. Nice hit, Tor. Next pack. Donnarumma. Weston McKennie. Diogo Jota. And our next variation. This time it's a John Terry on the variation. John Terry, that's for Chelsea, that's done. Put all the variations together. Let's hit on the Legends variation there. Yeah, 100%. If I miss a serial, please let me know. We've got Braganca. It's our next serial. This time it's Pedri.
It's 9:23 p.m.
That is 89 of 99. My phone is going crazy. You say something close to that S word and she goes off. Jeremy Pino and Scalvini. Alright, next pack. Adama Traore. Yeah, you can get very parallels in the variations. Leroy Sané, Christopher Nkunku, and then we've got another future stars here. Who's it going to be? And it's Kenneth Taylor for Ajax. We should still have one more numbered card in this box. I think it's 2 per box. Yeah, we do. It's on the back of this pack. Let's see what we get. Perisic. Suso. Johnny Stones. It looks like we're this way. Good luck. And it's Renato Sanchez for Lille. That is 4 of 99 on the Renato Sanchez. Yeah, I know, it has been so far. It's annoying. Alright, last pack of the second box. Good luck. Luis Suarez. Jordan Subachu. Chiellini, sorry. And Marcus Rashford. Alright, let's box 2. Let's see if we can hit a red or a purple or a papadasha. They're the ones we want. They're the colours we want. Empty box. Full case of this would have been pretty good actually. Alright, good luck. Alright, box 3. Lucas Nemecha, Eric Garcia, and this is 56 6 serial. That's Andrew. Ballo Toure, and that's nice. Mo Salah for Liverpool. Got a nice Lewandowski there. Dusan Tadic. Rodrigo. And then a nice future stars of Jude Bellingham. That's nice. Looks like we've got another green Noah Lang on the front there. Trevor Chalobah. Samuel Edozie on the rookie for Man City. Looks like we're this way. Looks like a midfielder. Good luck. And it is Thibaut Persson for Club Bruges. He's 46 of 75. The Thibaut Persson, Club Bruges, it's tall. Alright, next pack. Oh yeah, Evan Nilsson's for Porto, that's right. Serginho Dest, it's cereals. That is 81, 1 cereal, that's James. Got a nice Neymar there for PSG others. And our next variation, legend variation, is for Juventus. It's Alessandro Del Piero. Del Piero this time. We have Omar Richards. Brian Brobby. Did he sign for Sunderland? Was it him? Yusuf and Nasiri. And Ahmad. That's right, Ahmad's in this. Forgot about this. Man United others. Good spot. Next we got Brendan Aronson, Kaio Jorge, Andy Robertson, and our next Future Stars. And it's Ferran Torres this time from the Future Stars. See the others. Looks like we've got another orange here. Good luck. Isaac Lihaji, Manuel Akanji. We've got Sandro Tonali. Looks like we're a horizontal. Good luck. And it is Alphonso Davies. Alphonso Davies. That is 50 of 50. Buying in this one. Damien. Nice hit. That's right. Let's hit on the Alphonso Davies. We've got Alejandro Balde there on the front, and that is 38, 8 serial. Harbour. Nice Leo Messi there. Just leave and top load that one. Luka Modric and Raheem Sterling. First Messi, haven't seen Ronaldo yet. And then 2 boxes left. So yeah, we want purple, red, or Papadasha. They're the parallels we want out of these next 2 boxes. Empty box. Good luck. 4th box. We've got Tebow Person. A nice Jude there. Jude cracked ice. Mbimbe. And Federico Chiesa. Nice Jude there on the Sapphire. For Dortmund. Tyler Adams, Antonio Blanco, Robin Gosens. Now, next Future Stars is Eduardo Camavinga for Real Madrid. We've got Pepe there on the front. Frankie de Jong. That one is 93, 3 serial, Martin. James McAtee on the rookie. We've got a green here, good luck. Who's going to be on the green? And it's Hakan Calhanoglu on the green. That is 19 of 75. Inter, Josep. Inter's had a couple hits. All right, next pack, we've got Upamecano. Brahim Diaz, Timo Werner. And another Alessandro Del Piero on the variation. It's 2 for the Del Piero variation spot. Alright, next pack. Moritz Kjaergaard. Calhanoglu. Alvaro Morata. And Harry Maguire. Papadasha time, surely. Jonathan David. And Gio Reyna. Allison for Liverpool. And Xavi Simons. And he looks young there. That's right, he was in PSG in this season. That's usually the numbered card. So let's go this spot. This pack, I should say. Manuel Ugarte. He's a rookie in this for Sporting. Marquinhos. Lucas Ocampos. And nice, Phil Foden. Alright. Good luck. We have Eze Zuli, that's cereals. That's 165. 5 cereal, that's James. Kenneth Taylor there. Gareth Bale. And then looks like we've got an orange. Good luck. And it's Gianluigi Donnarumma on the orange. 26 of 50. That's for PSG. Others, James. Alright, and our last box. See if we can hit a red here. Come on. T-box. Alright, good luck. So we start with Pedro Goncalves. Eze Zuli, that was 5 cereal, James. Ryan Gravenberch, that's right, he's for Ajax. Ajax was a good spot in this. They had some good young players. And Camavinga. Sergio Ramos. Jules Koundé. Ilkay Gundogan. And future star Sandro Tonali this time. Looks like we've got a purple here. Alright. It's our lowest numbered so far. Good luck. Koke. Alphonso Davies. There's a nice Cristiano Ronaldo there. These go for a bit, these. Alright, good luck on the purple. I'm pretty sure this is to 25 or to 15 it could be. Who's it going to be? And it's for Ajax. Kenneth Taylor on the purple. It's 15 of 25. Ajax was Daniel. And we also had the Ronaldo base Sapphire. We should still get one variation and one number kit. Nice Haaland there on the front. Moriba. N'Golo Kante. And that's our next variation. It's Roberto Carlos. So we have 4 different ones in the 5 boxes. Yeah, of course. Of course the chips. Some of these base cards go for a bit. These Sapphire base cards. Looks like this is going to be our last of the numbered cards. It's Maxence Lacroix, Locatelli, Ibrahima Konate, and it's a Future Stars. Good luck. Come on, be Cole. Be Cole. It's not. It's Yusufa Moukoko for Dortmund. That's Justin. 74 of 99. On the Moukoko. Beautiful cards in hand. When you get them in hand, they're really nice. Hans Vanaken. Nico Gonzalez, and that was 107. 7 serial, that's HC. Maldini. And Jules Koundé. And we've got another numbered card here. So we got 3 in that box. Nice. Alright, Stefan De Vrij. Vinny Jr. Ruben Diaz. Alright, and we're this way. Good luck. And it is Danny Olmo for RB Leipzig. 64 of 99. That's Q. And our last pack of the break. And another Sesko there, nice. Serge Gnabry, Benny Chilwell, and Anthony Elanga. That's right, I forgot he was a rookie in this as well. I'll sleeve and top load that as well. Alright, I'll just top load these and we will do our recap. Alright, let's do our recap. So we had Future Stars Cole Palmer, we had Future Stars Jude, a nice Haaland there, and Elanga on the rookie. We had the Ronaldo Sapphire base, we had one Messi as well. I think we had, yep, 2 Seskos, so 1 and 2, and then a Jude as well. On the variations, we had the Roberto Carlos, we had 2 Del Pieros, we had a John Terry and a Paul Scholes. Our yellow Sapphires to 99, I think these were, yep. So we had Danny Olmo, which was 64 of 99. We had a Moukoko on the Future Stars. That was 74 of 99. And we had a Pedro Goncalves. That's 20 of 99. Go to these oranges here. So we had first the Alphonso Davies. That was 50 of 50. And a Stefan De Vrij. It's 34 of 50. We got another one here, which is a yellow to 99. That's Renato Sanchez, 4 of 99. And then we had the Donnarumma, 26 of 50. And then we had our 3 greens here. So we had Thibaut Persson, 46 of 75. Hakan Calhanoglu, 19 of 75. And Sandro Tonali, and that was 28 of 75. And no reds or papadashes, but we did hit a purple sapphire, and it was Kenny Taylor, and that's 15 of 25. And that was 21-22 Chrome Sapphire. 5 box break number 1. Appreciate it, everybody.